In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to confirm your bank account on PayPal in 2025. Whether you're new to PayPal or just looking to update your payment options, confirming a bank account is an essential step for secure transactions. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to the PayPal website. The web address is straightforward and you can type in PayPal in your search engine if you're not sure. Once you're on the main page, look for the login button, which you should find easily on the home page. Click on login to proceed and you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. This step ensures that your account remains secure, so remember to use a strong password. After successfully logging in, you may need to verify your identity. You can choose to receive a verification code via WhatsApp or a simple text message. Choose the option that best suits you and enter the code you received to continue. Now that you're in your account, go to the PayPal homepage. It's usually the first page that appears after logging in, but you can also find it via the menu if necessary. Here, look for an option that says link a card or bank. This is where you will initiate the process of adding your bank account to PayPal. Click on link a card or bank to see two choices, linking a card or linking a bank account. Since our focus today is on confirming a bank account, you'll want to choose link a bank. This option will guide you to a series of forms where you'll enter your bank information. Be prepared with your bank account number and routing number, as these are necessary for the linkage. Enter your bank account details carefully. Double check this information to prevent any errors, as incorrect details could delay or disrupt your banking transactions through PayPal. Once you've entered all the necessary information, simply click on Submit. After submitting your bank details, PayPal may make one or two small deposits into your bank account. These transactions are part of their verification process to confirm that the account you've linked truly belongs to you. Keep an eye on your bank account over the next few days to spot these deposits. Once you see them, return to your PayPal account and enter the exact amounts to finalize the verification process. And there you have it, you've successfully linked and confirmed your bank account on PayPal. This step not only enhances the security of your transactions, but also opens up more options for how you send and receive money. Thanks for joining me today, and make sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips on using PayPal effectively.